Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and doing the first actionable fixes. Check which account you use: Guest, Facebook, Google, or Activision ID, because each has different auth flows. Once done, make sure the game is updated, device time is accurate, and you're on a stable Wi-Fi or 4G link. Mismatched time or flaky network often blocks tokens. Next, reboot the device, clear the app cache, and force stop Call of Duty Mobile before trying to log in again. Now you handle the complex middle steps to restore authorization. Sign out completely, then sign in using the exact same provider account. If two-factor authentication is on, complete that flow. It often blocks silent token refresh. If problems persist, revoke Call of Duty Mobile's access from your Google, Facebook, or Activision account settings, then reauthorize to force new tokens. Also make sure the game has network, storage, and background data permissions. Without that, finish by applying final remedies and a key troubleshooting tip. If reauthorization still fails after relinking and permissions, update or reinstall the game to replace corrupted files, then try signing in again. If that doesn't help, test your account on another device or switch to a different network to determine whether the issue is account-related or device/network specific. If all else fails, contact Activision support and provide your account ID, device model, OS version, and any error messages. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.